Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you how to add a garage door to your Rivian, so that tutorial is coming up. So one of the nice features about having a Rivian is you get a garage door you can add straight to the car. So how you want to do that is you want to go down to the settings button here. If you don't see it on your bar down here, just scroll up here and it'll show up in this section here. So hit settings, you want to go to connect, and then you want to go to garages here. And so then all you need to do is add a garage. So hit that. It'll come up with this whole thing and it says, let's see. So obviously you want to park near your garage door. You can't see it. The garage is right here in front of me. So it's there, and then you want to have your clicker as well. So all you need to do is hit next here. Name your garage. So I'm going to name it home. Okay. It'll go to next automatically. And then it says, let's start by pairing the garage door remote with your vehicle. So press and hold your remote button, and then while holding the button, tap pair. What I'm going to do is I'm going to push this, hold it, and push pair. So it says continue to hold. There you go. Remote signal received. You can now release the button. So that's what I did. Click OK. It says next your vehicle will send a signal to the garage door opener. Your garage door may not move during this step. Okay, so we're going to hit next or continue. Sending the signal to the garage. Okay, so it's done. Now it says now let's test your connection. Your garage door should open and close depending on its current position. So let's hit test and see. So again, sorry, you can't see the garage is right here, but it's closed right now. So we hit test. The garage door is opening. So there you go. It's good. Now I've got it programmed. So if we hit done here, that's all you need to do. And so basically now when I come home or when I leave, all I need to do is go up here to this home icon. You hit that and then you just tap on home, and that's like your clicker. So it'll open and close the garage door straight from there. So that's how you add your garage door to your Rivian. So hope the tutorial is helpful. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below, and thanks for watching.